Secret leak revealed. Cardano to $500. Hello everyone, we hope you're all healthy and having a wonderful day today. We are your hosts, Richly. Welcome back to the channel. We're back with yet another amazing video. A huge secret just revealed by the expert predicts Cardano will hit $500 soon. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel or miss the opportunity of getting updated about the shifts and trends in the crypto market. Stick around until the end of the video to know when Cardano will hit $500 billion in market cap. With the so-called ADA coin up about 50% in the last week, there's growing hope that fresh technological advancements will allow Cardano to support smart contracts by September 12th as promised. The ADA token currently has a market value of more than $69 billion, surpassing all rivals except Bitcoin and Ether, according to tracker CoinGecko, after a rise that was received with skepticism by several prominent industry figures. As network developers try to capitalize on the decentralized financial boom, a little-known digital token tied to the Cardano blockchain has recently become the world's third-largest virtual currency. With the so-called ADA coin surging about 50% in the last week, there's growing hope that fresh technology advancements will allow Cardano to support smart contracts by its declared deadline of September 12th. As a result, its network will be able to provide profitable services like DeFi, which Ethereum now dominates. The ADA token currently has a market value of more than $69 billion, surpassing all rivals except Bitcoin and Ether, according to tracker CoinGecko, after a rise that was received with skepticism by several prominent industry figures. "I've been waiting for news on smart contracts for what seems like an eternity," said Anthony Trenchev, managing partner and co-founder of crypto lender Nexo. Cardano is battling Ethereum, the second most valuable cryptocurrency, to become the premier blockchain for smart contracts. Over the last year, ADA has increased by more than 1,400%, outperforming both Bitcoin and Ether. Despite some notable cryptocurrency pundits' doubts regarding its purpose, the virtual coin has risen in value. For example, on Sunday, Galaxy Digital LP Chief Executive Officer Mike Novogratz tweeted, "I spoke to 20 of the best individuals I know in this sector, and none of them envisioned Cardano gaining traction. Most people outside of crypto have never heard of Cardano," Trenchev added, "but here it is with a market cap that dwarfs many S&P 500 index components. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, ports financial functions onto digital ledgers, allowing people to do things like lend or borrow funds and earn interest in a savings-like account without the need for traditional intermediaries such as banks. Its growing popularity is part of a wider trend of increased blockchain usage." Over the weekend, recent gains in Bitcoin, Ether, ADA, and other tokens pushed the cryptocurrency market to surpass $2 trillion in value for the first time since May, when the notoriously volatile sector saw a collapse. Cardano's price has increased by more than 50% in the previous 10 days, putting it in third place among the world's leading cryptocurrencies with a market valuation of $80 billion, ahead of the popular Binance coin. It reached a lifetime high of $2.58 during the frenzied ride, but the gains had tapered off by Saturday morning. The increase is linked to the upcoming Alonzo update, which will allow smart contract capabilities and a variety of decentralized finance apps to run on the Cardano network. The suggested technical upgrade is expected to arrive as early as next month. The Cardano network, which was co-founded by Charles Hoskinson, a mathematician and former CEO of Ethereum, is being hailed as a major competitor to Ethereum, which presently leads the DeFi services industry. According to CoinMarketCap, the ADA currency has risen from $1.70 on August 10th to $2.58 on August 20th. The Cardano price was approximately $2.60 at the time of writing this research. Cardano's main flaw is the lack of smart contract functions, whereas Ethereum's biggest virtue is its availability. These contracts ensure that agreements may be validated securely. The Alonzo upgrade development team announced the introduction of the public testnet earlier this month, calling it an exciting and essential next step in the Cardano journey. Some individuals have expressed doubt about the Cardano coin's performance despite the rise and even before it over the prospect of an upcoming update. This led Hoskinson to replied to the criticisms in a tweet earlier this month, vowing to set up a fund to pay for critics' rehabilitation. Meanwhile, recent gains in Bitcoin, Ether, Cardano, and other cryptocurrencies have helped the cryptocurrency industry cross the $2 trillion milestones for the first time since May, when the volatile trading was routed by a market meltdown. ADA targets $3.60 as the chase begins. With yesterday's climb over the May high of $2.51, Cardano pricing has triggered a base-on-base pattern. The 261.8% Fibonacci extension of the 2018 to 2020 secular decline is shown by the ADA breakthrough at $3.63. The high levels of dedication and passion shown throughout the increase from the 2020 lows to the 2021 high have yet to be replicated in the volume profile. The Cardano's price surge to new highs was impulsive when it reclaimed the key resistance of the 2018 high at $1.40, propelling ADA to 5 straight weeks of gains for the first time since March-April 2020, also a low. The intensity of the rise has pushed the daily relative strength index to one of the highest levels, suggesting that a small consolidation around the $2.51 high from May might occur before the digital coin resumes its secular ascent. Cardano's price has fallen over 60% from its peak in May, dropping below the 2018 high of $1.40. Since the correction, the pricing structure has established a new basis on top of the existing 3-year base, which spans 2018 to 2021. The unusual price structure is a positive sign, implying that Cardano will aim for even higher prices in the months ahead, including the 261.8% Fibonacci extension at $3.63. Daily, the doji candlestick pattern revealed some hesitancy to assault fresh Cardano price highs with authority yesterday, as ADA investors took gains or liquidated holdings after breaking even on bets purchased in May. Furthermore, despite the 3-day retracement earlier this week, the ADA daily RSI still shows a notable overbought situation. As a result, Cardano price may undergo a second rally retreat, only to reset the indicators and ADA price structure to accomplish a long-term rally to the crucial Fibonacci extension levels. The next barrier is the 141.4% extension of the May to July decline at $3.17, followed by the 161.8% extension of the same correction at $3.49. Thus, the Cardano prognosis is positive. If ADA continues to rally with the same ferocity as in the previous 5 weeks, it will mark a 261.8% extension of the 2018 to 2020 secular correction at $3.63, or a 48% gain from current levels. Let's say the Cardano price drops below $2.16 during a downturn. In such a situation, ADA may retrace down to $1.90 before starting the next wave higher. Only a day's close below $1.90 would put the bullish narrative in jeopardy. Cardano is on track to end with 5 straight positive weeks for the first time since the last big dip in March-April 2020, having finally solved the 2018 high puzzle. The speed and extent of the rebound to the May high indicates that investors' interest in ADA has resurfaced. Even said, weekly volume totals have not yet approached the levels that supported the 2020 to 2021 gain, suggesting that the chase has yet to begin. Crypto Capital Venture, a YouTuber and crypto trader, discusses Cardano and its potential in the crypto market. In a 12-minute YouTube video, the analyst explains his point of view on the subject. He claims that shortly, ADA will offer fantastic outcomes that will outperform a solid vision. He goes on to say that the network's implementation of this goal is already underway and that it will soon dominate the crypto sector. According to the video, 71% of ADA's entire supply is currently staked. This, for an instance, amounts to about $31 billion in ADA revenue. Furthermore, the total number of staked addresses has increased by 11%. As a result, according to the expert, the Cardano network is fast expanding. He also claims that the majority of traders are looking for a profit. The Cardano community, on the other hand, realizes that the network is a pleasant project to be a part of, and most ADA holders want to help grow the coin and its community. The expert then speculates on what could happen next. Will ADA or Ethereum reach 10 times? He goes on to predict that it's more likely that ADA will be 10 times to a market valuation of approximately $500 billion. This, he feels, is more plausible than an Ethereum 10 times to almost $3 trillion in market size. Furthermore, Crypto Capital Venture claims that the Ethereum network is broken in numerous ways. The Cardano ecosystem, on the other hand, is continually altering the game. The ADA's skating mechanism, for example, has had significant influence. Furthermore, ADA is a stress-free, decentralized procedure. Smart contracts will be added to the platform as a result of the platform's latest improvements. This will guarantee that ADA continues to progress in the right direction. Finally, the researcher examines ADA's position inside the present bull market. He notes an upward trend on the graph. When compared to Ethereum's prior bull run, ADA has been following in Ethereum's footsteps. As a result, ADA is expected to rise based on historical statistics. As a result, his ultimate assessment is that Cardano will triumph. Let us know if you think Cardano will triumph. Do you believe Cardano will hit $500?